Tradingview, the main tool, app, website that every trader uses. This is the tool that you've seen all over the social media from traders and their technical analysis. Every chart, every trend line, every prediction you see is crafted on this platform. For example, when I'm done with my technical analysis and I'm seeing a good and a solid trading opportunity, I'm sharing this on my Telegram channel. And yes, this was made on Tradingview. There's a link in the description of this video. Always welcome to join. If you want to see more of my technical analysis, it's absolutely free. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through it, showing you exactly what this bad boy can do. If you are a beginner trader and still learning, this should be your second home. This is the place where you will spend most of your time. So let's jump straight into a Tradingview. There is a link in the description as well. Sign up now and enjoy a 30-day free trial. But the great part is Tradingview's free version already gives you everything you need to get started. You might hit a few limits, but for beginners, it's more than enough to start drawing those lines and doing technical analysis like a pro. So let me sign up and let's do everything step by step together. So let's sign with our email address. Now enter our valid email address and let's create a password. Of course, we're gonna verify our email address in our inbox. After verifying our email, let's just create our username. So let's just go with the Jack Trader 5412. And yeah, I have read and agree with the terms and privacy policy. Right now, we see the three different plans, three different options: Essential, Plus, Premium. You can pay like monthly or annually. I can switch to a monthly right now, all the benefits that you're gonna get if you're gonna subscribe. But I'm just gonna go straight to a charts. Let's just go with the Bitcoin USD on Coinbase, launch a chart. And we are live on our Bitcoin charts. This whole data comes from the Coinbase because we selected a Coinbase. Every single candle represents 1 day, so this is a daily time frame, but you can select multiple time frames: 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you like. So let's just go on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, if I'm trading on a different broker, exchange, or I'm holding my asset on a different wallet, I can reselect Bitcoin USD. For example, I'm using a Bybit, so BTC USDT, because I can trade with USDT on Bybit. So this is a BTC USD spot on Bybit. All the data comes from the Bybit. You see the price. There's a different price on the Bitcoin compared with the Coinbase. So select where you're holding or where you're trading your asset. Crypto, Forex, futures, it doesn't matter. On the right side, we have our watch list. Some S&P 500, stocks, Tesla, oil, gold, silver, Forex, crypto, and we can customize this watch list so it would be easy for you to track all of your assets or your trading pairs that you're trading on your broker. On the left side, we have multiple tools. We have, I don't know, brushes, pens, whatever you like, Fibonacci's. Right, let me just quickly delete that. Trend lines. We have multiple options how to customize our charts. So let's now customize our charts a little bit, just the way I like it. The first thing that I like to do is to go at this left top corner, select my Jack Trader profile, and turn on the dark mode. The charts right now look better, cleaner, and brighter. On the right side, at the top of this corner, I can see chart settings. Of course, I can double press on any of these candles or just simply press on this chart settings because I would like to customize my candles in a different colors. So I'm gonna go with a simple white and gray. The bullish candle is gonna go with the white, and the bearish candles, I'm gonna go with the light gray colors. Of course, I want to customize my background a little bit, and I'm going to choose from this one to a solid, and I'm going to put this, I'm going to leave it the light in this, let's just say light black. All right. Right now, all the horizontal and vertical lines, I'm going to just simply remove it by opacity turning into a 0%. Okay. After customizing these candles, I believe right now that all the charts look solid, clean, nice, warm, minimalistic. And I would like to customize the volume indicator at the bottom right now. So I'm going to move this to a new panel below and customize in the same way I customize my candles. I'm just going to use for the growing the white and the falling money flow into opacity, into a darker one. Opacity, I'm going to turn like 20% only. All right, so this is how I customize my charts. After customizing everything, all the charts just the way I like it, let's just go on my TradingView account and let's just see what I have. And we are right now on my TradingView account, and there's a two difference. You don't see the volume indicator because I simply delete it because I don't use it. I'm using my own indicator that represents the money flow, and you don't see a drawings panel because I'm also customize it by myself. So there's a tool that I'm using very often. For example, this ray tool that represents, I don't know, extended trend line, the trend line catcher, let's just say that. So I'm always marking as my favorite one and adding to my custom list. So the ray tool appeared right here and I can simply remove it. So simple as that. And I'm going to remove it, this drawings panel again. All the charts looks simple, easy, custom-made panel. This all drawings panel, custom-made for me to easy navigate when I'm doing my technical analysis. This is my watch list that I'm always like watching: gold, NASDAQ, US 30, Dixie, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all my blue chips that I'm like trading and investing, all the crypto coins, shit coins, extra some, I don't know, ADA, Boo, Waves, all the different coins, all the different stocks, Forex and everything that everything was added to my watch list. Of course, I can rename my watch list. I can do multiple things, add some sections like in here, blue chips, spot, and whenever I like the asset or I'm watching this asset, I'm always, let's just, for example, I don't know, select a AVAX USDT. So of course I already added to my watch list, but I'm gonna simply add it again and gonna mark it as the blue one. So AVAX appeared at around my, let's just, when I click this one, recently used, when my blue list that I marked those assets with the blue color, I'm just going, of course, you see all the different assets are added to my blue check mark. Simply click the right of your mouse and I'm gonna add it to my Plan FOMO watch list. The main watch list. This is how I like adding everything. All the different like Dogecoins, Nero, Wild, Illuvium, LAI, all the coins, like you name it. I'm just gonna simply remove this color or just simply delete from my watch list. So you can always customize your watch list by yourself. I have some alerts. You can even, I don't know, where's my drawing panel? You can even create an alerts if the price is going to reach, for example, Bitcoin all-time highs again. I can create an alert. Where's that? Add an alert. And here's, you can customize alert name, message, and everything. If the price is going to reach this level, there's be notification on your phone, on your app, computer, everywhere. Customize by yourself. So there's the different tools, all the different tools. The main tools that I'm using are right here. Let me just turn off this drawings panel again. What else do we have? We have some regular candles. We have Heikin-Ashi candles that represents the trend, uptrend, a small downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So use it whatever you like. You can analyze all the charts, all the different assets by yourself, by simple lines, no candles. Let's just go back on the regular candles. And these are my time frames, for example, 15 minutes, 30-minute time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1 day, 1 week. So if I'm always like analyzing charts on those different time frames, as an example, 1 hour, 4 hour, all the time I'm using, for example, crypto market, I'm using daily time frame. But for those accurate entry points, 30, 15 minutes, 1 hour time frame, if I'm like being a lot spending a lot of time on that time frame, I'm marking and adding to my favorite one. You see, the 45-minute time frame appears at around here. Boom, and I can simply navigate by switching, boom, on and off all the time frames. Of course, I'm not gonna use that 45-minute time frame, so I'm gonna simply remove it from my favorite list. Alerts, backtesting replay mode, indicators, all the different indicators, tops, what the community is offering for us, MACD, custom indicators, multiple time frames. So let's see, what is it? You see, there's a lot of different indicators. You can use it, go explore it, go find that what works for you, and like every single time, of course, backtest it, because yeah, indicators has a delay. I'm just gonna simply delete that. Charts again, looks simple and clear. So yeah, my watch list, my drawings panel, simple colors on my charts, simple, minimalistic, warm, I'm gonna say it warm, simple colors. I don't like red and green colors, because I don't know, maybe it messes with my head, but still, I'm using a simple, warm, easy to understand, minimalistic colors, and I don't use those bright colors at all. So yeah, what else do we have? On the right side, at the top of this corner, you can even publish your trading idea and share with the TradingView community. What do you think about this asset? Is it gonna go up or down? You can, I don't know, download your image, copy link, share in your Twitter account. There's a lot of different like tools. There's all-in-one tool for you to analyze, share it, build a community, and the TradingView is a go-to platform, website, app. You can download an app, you can use it on your laptop, on your PC, anywhere. So what else do we have? We have some layers of your drawings, of your analysis. Then we have an ideas that I've been sharing in my TradingView. Of course, I'm not sharing in my TradingView account anymore. I'm sharing on my Telegram account. There's like a comments, community. You can share your opinion and your thoughts or about all the technical analysis about different assets that you're trading and publishing with the trading community. We have, what is that? Ideas from the other traders. You can explore that. Maybe you're gonna find a trader that is, I don't know, is gonna doing a pretty good job, and you're gonna start following it or learn from his trading ideas, from his technical analysis. So of course, notifications, yeah, I have some notifications, so don't mind that. Again, going back to my watch list, so I customize my watch list, I customize my panel, and I'm easy can navigate here and just simply clicking all the buttons, and I don't know, using those simple trend lines, whatever. So this is a TradingView video for beginners. I hope it's simple and easy to understand why you need this. You can watch and trade multiple assets that it comes with: stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto. This is the best website. I mean, this is your second home. If you're a trader or if you are a beginner, trust me, this will be your second home. So I believe this video is, I don't know, for beginners who don't know what tools they need to use when they're doing their technical analysis. So now you know the TradingView is your #1 trading app, website, all in one platform. Watching crypto pairs, stocks, forex, TradingView is the best. And there's a free version for this, 30 days free trial if you want to try a pro version. But still, you can always use a free version for a simple charting. For simple charting, you can use a free version. So go and explore now. Go customize the charts however you like with all the different colors. I don't know, you can, let's just double tap. You can use, I don't know, different colors, white, gray, I mean, green, golden colors. I mean, I also save my colors. Here, I'm gonna add a color. I like this color, I don't know, turning into a more like yellow, boom. I save this by adding to my favorite list. Of course, I'm gonna remove it because I don't need it. And yeah, so go explore, enjoy, start charting with the Trading View, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.